Labs Out Loud. I'm Shad.
And I'm Shad.
And today we will be taking it to a whole new level.
We'll be doing a challenge called Truth or Shoot.
So we will be asking 10 questions. If you get it wrong, you
get a shot.
And if you get it right, you get a
point. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, as we will be posting once a week. And you don't want to miss it, guys. It promises to be fun. Who going first?
Oh, we didn't know that.
Alright, rock, paper, scissors. Ready?
Alright, let's go.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. You wanna go first.
You're doing that on purpose.
You get to choose.
Alright. So, what is my mother's full name, including the middle name?
No, Shadi said never tell me about a big name.
I told you times and times
When I
ago,
answer the
Shadi.
question.
I told you.
Guys, that was unfair because I actually knew the answer. But
You were having doubts.
It's fine.
Alright?
Which hospital was I born?
Jubilee.
Not the name Jubilee. Who for Jubilee? When
We don't know
yeah,
about
but
Move them in a bad at all.
but me bad when your mother bad.
No.
Anyways,
So
Victoria Jubilee
That's
Hospital.
somebody said Jubilee.
No, that is an Ask a question.
Which leadership position did I hold in high school?
Head girl. Head girl.
Correct.
Alright. Which discipline was my favorite discipline during university?
Shade, you know you're not my favorite discipline. She not even like school people.
I like it now.
Blood bank.
No.
Hematology.
Yes.
Because you not get all
Hematology.
good grade them in a blood bank.
Hematology, guys.
Alright. Yeah, I was
It's
going to ask you that question actually. Which course was my favorite in medical technology program?
microbiology.
Correct.
I know the answer was just a test. So how may I get wet?
I think on.
Alright, next question. Which color is my new favorite color?
What is your old favorite color?
5.
Teal.
Yeah.
Shoot.
Yeah, correct.
What is my favorite animal?
Shanice, yeah, our favorite animal. Yeah, alright. This is not the answer, this is my process. You have what kind of animals? You have dog, cat, rat, fish. Shanice, oh, you must have a favorite animal.
I know that's the answer. I don't.
Because we don't say, should I like animal? Yeah, you catch me. Alright, come.
Anyways, no point not giving this, so come and tell her the answer.
That was the process. I'm reaching the answer.
Come.
Alright, my next question.
I get the Jubilee right, so.
Sorry, I carry feelings. Alright. How many packs of braid did the hairdresser used to do my hair last week?
You said this too. Yes.
Alright, fine.
Name 5 of
No.
my closest friends.
No, Shanice. That's a 5 question now, and you know that.
No, that's one question with 5 points.
Shade, that's me.
Except you.
No,
That's
you
a part of
can't.
the question actually.
You can't add.
Except you.
Erica, Mishka, Abby, Anna,
That was very
and
easy.
alright.
One more.
Yeah. Let me choose this one carefully.
tried.
Radhika.
Okay. Alright.
Next question. Which snack is my new favorite snack?
Everything new.
Yeah. 2020.
Liz.
You know, I get the next one. Your turn.
Am I turn, right?
Mm-hmm.
What question?
Should I give her a shot?
Which class did I travel in on my very first trip to America?
Which class?
Yes.
Shawty's wavy.
Business class, first class, economic
Oh,
class.
but you have your life at primary school, grade 3 or grade
Yeah, travel. Girl, yeah.
first class. Yeah, she get a little upgrade.
I like the game, man.
Alright. Ready for your which brand toothpaste am I currently using?
Chris.
What?
I never expect my game to come back so fast.
Say
Which size shoes I wear?
7.
Alright,
Alright,
we're
guys.
same size.
We're same size. When was the last time I was on a plane? Month and year.
Alright, it was in December. We're supposed to say date? Just
No,
the month and year. December before internship. We went on internship last year, which is 2019. So that is December 28th. Oh, you're so terrible.
So alright,
You
guys.
should have never asked me that.
Shanice, someone never take plane come back to Jamaica January.
Somebody remember that?
You think I want me to take boat?
But you got December, you come back same week.
January.
Remember?
29.
You see? Like 1 month away. Couple days away.
You want to get a shot? Come.
Wanna reach 10 yet?
No.
Where is my favorite place to be?
Church.
Yes! You're right, but I can't manage to get everything wrong. I'm gonna use the gun.
Ready for your again, guys? What is my phone number? Don't worry, I'll bleep it out. What's my phone number?
Hey, me tell you yesterday, you don't remember your phone number.
Make up stop, man. Your life depends on it.
Shade, like not. Me know say probably the first number 4.
6 more to go.
That's it. Just shoot.
One for every number.
Somehow I feel like me look like me I get bullied a while
That'll
ago.
be a shanty again, girl. Okay, guys, so we have 2 more questions left in Truth or Shoot.
Why you do that? Anyways.
It's an action word.
Alright, so my turn, right? I have 5 wonderful brothers.
Shani, somebody you have 5. Everything you have 5, huh?
Woohoo!
Alright.
Name them.
Nicknames.
No nickname.
Shani's will never work at
Alright,
RGD.
alright, the nickname.
Never
can work.
registered him. Shamar, Dennis. Shamar, Dennis.
Shamar Dennis.
Much that 5?
You have 2 seconds leave.
Wait a girl. Shamar, Dennis. Kojo.
Continue. That's 3. Also, never mind.
Wait, other brother name. Feel like me boysy. What are you? What one more? Your sister Grace. I mean she attack. Boyos.
So boy, Nessa, whatever yourself different from boyos.
No breaks. Alright, how much brother you have? 12.
Your turn.
Who texted who first?
Shadi, you know say me text you first. You want the world know.
Okay, guys, final question.
Okay, so my last question, Shadi. I feel like I said this a lot, but what are the names of my college roommates?
I feel like a pet me, I do.
Full name.
Oh, but then you never call them by the last name.
Full name.
Kristanika with a double at the end. And that, I don't want to say out her name.
Sure.
And Abby.
Abby.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Shanice, you never tell me the last
Can't shoot
name.
you one time for not know the last name.
That's fine, guys, because guess what? She's gonna get this one wrong. And that's how we're gonna close out Truth or Shoot.
Okay, next.
What is my middle name and spell it?
Nashiva.
Spell it.
N-A.
Wrong. Come again, every time you spell it wrong.
N-E.
Yeah?
V.
No.
H.
No. Yeah,
Okay, we're done with this spelling bee.
So that's the end of
Truth or Oh my god.
Well, guys, we hope you had as much fun as we did.
That was very fun.
Even though I was doing our motivation, I was a good contender.
She's very confident. I hope I win at the end, right?
But guys, don't worry, stay tuned. We'll be having more fun videos like this every other week. So what we do is every week we'll post a video, but every other week one will be educational about our profession, and the next will be just a regular everyday life fun video.
Fun. Alright, please remember to like,
Share
comment,
and
subscribe.
Please, guys, turn on your post notification so you'll be notified when next week post.